On what day did God create man? Sixth day. Who were Miriam's brothers? Aaron and Moses. Who was the only female judge of Israel? Deborah. In what city was Jesus born? Bethlehem. What was Jesus' profession before he started his ministry? A carpenter. Where did Jesus turn water into wine? Cana. How many brothers did Joseph have? Eleven. Who was Jacob's second son with Rachel? Benjamin. Who was the first king of Israel? Saul. Who was the last king Daniel served under in the Bible? Darius. What was Matthew before he followed Jesus? A tax collector. What is the shortest verse in the Bible? John 11:35. Jesus wept. What was Peter and Andrew doing when Jesus called them to follow him? Fishing. Who cut off a soldier's ear when Jesus was being arrested? Peter. was the first martyr? Stephen.